Hi guys, Doug here. I was asked to do a shop tour, toolbox tour, and from Micks Mowers. He's a good guy. I love his videos, and his little helper there, Riley. He cracks me up. I really enjoy his videos. If y'all could go visit him, his Micks Mowers, and give him a shout out. Tell him that Doug sent you out, and I appreciate it. And we're going to get started on this thing. First of all, we're going to come on down here. There's my air compressor. I got a speed square right there. I keep my hose reel. I keep my air tools, my tire gauge, another tire gauge down here, blow off, stuff like that in here, so I know where they are. Got my air conditioner. I got the 40-volt cobalt batteries and charger hanging there that I'm using. 6-inch grinder. My drill press, bench top, and drill bits. I really like them Bowden's drill bits. This is the transaxle that I'm working on for my project. And down here is my welder, wire welder, Harbor Freight wire welder. There's the weed eater, 40-volt weed eater. I keep my clamps and stuff hanging right there. Extra shop light. There's my angle grinders, spare grinding disc and flappy disc and stuff. Come along over here. Right over here, I keep motor oil on hand, transmission fluid, washer fluid, bottle of propane. These are all my corded tools right here. Jigsaw, heat gun, vibrator, reciprocate. You got a sawzall over there, belt sander there. Of course, we got to have snacks in the shop, you know. We got to have snacks. Grease gun, caulk gun, air caulk, grease gun, trickle charger, die-hard trickle charger, another battery charger, ratchet strap, butt connectors and stuff, bits and pieces of stuff, nuts and bolts and stuff that I took off my other mud mower, and my saw, and you know, some old scissor jacks down there. We're going to spin around on the other side of the shop. I can't show you what's down there yet. Couple belts right there, mower belts, my levels, assortment of bolts and stuff. Got a refrigerator, got water down there, nails, screws, everything. Air tank, jack, vacuum cleaner. Got a little tote right here. It's got gloves in it and markers and stuff like that. Some woodcraft stuff, tools in there. I can't show you underneath it here because that's a video on its own. I made that. I hang my drills on and stuff up top from, that's a scriber right there. Routing for routing and stuff. Welding helmet, belt sand and stuff. Here comes Mama. Screws and such, and wiring, tape, some more tape, wire ties, BB blaster, carb cleaner. What you doing, Mama?
Just to go to the post office.
Okay.
Grocery store.
Alright.
Well,
We'll see you.
alright, what are you doing?
I'm doing my video for Mick.
Oh, okay. Hi, Mick. Hi, Riley. Is it Riley?
Riley.
Yeah.
And
I'll be back.
alright. Here's my ratchets. My 3/8. I got my 1/4 inches over there. I'm working on that transmission. 3/8 swivel. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Right from this point here over is, I'm trying to keep craftsman together. I got to get craftsman wrenches metric, and from here back is standard, and I'm trying to keep craftsman together with that. I'm trying to get my craftsman up, and here's the toolbox. I got metrics on top. Sorry, it's a little shaky, guys. I got metrics on top. Measuring tapes. OEM. Light. I got standard wrenches right here. Tubular wrenches. They're the ratchet ones from Harbor Freight. I like them very much. Ratchet wrenches, swivel heads. These are standard wrenches. I'm trying to get craftsmen together. And these are my metrics and overflow of ratchets. And this is my screwdriver, aisle 1. I like this snap-on ratchet screwdriver. I like these snap-on screwdrivers. Got Craftsman's P3 and P2s and stuff like that in here. My little picks right here. My little carburetor one for the small engines. This is my standard sockets. I got to get some deep wells. This is all 6-point, 12-point. Shallows, standard Torx, mid sockets, as you can tell. These are mid shorties, and these are all standard. I'm getting them together. I got to get some more extensions so I could get rid of some of these ones. This is S&K that I found at a yard sale. Ratchet. This one right here, don't know that one. It's Sparta. See if y'all can see it. Right there. Sorry, it's not too good. Got a S&K breaker bar, small one, 3/8 drive. This is my plier drawer and vice grip drawer. Pittsburgh, Carlisle, Pittsburgh, wire cutters and crimpers, Macco pliers, off the name, Lyman's, Macco slip joints, Knipex pliers, some more Lyman's, cable cutter, stuff like that, and all my vice grips, little Irwin side cutters. Next drawer. This one here, I'm gonna have to sit down, guys. My back is killing me. This one here, this is a Husky set of impacts, some wrenches that I made, crescents and stuff like that, and some cheap ratcheted wrenches. My Allens, I got more Allen sets, and my Dremels, the sandpaper and disc for the vibrator sander there. These are some more of my Allen, Craftsman Allens. Oh shoot. Degree angler, digital degree angler, same there. My tester, and that's about it, guys. And I appreciate it very much. Is there anything more I could show you guys? I would be more than happy to, and everything, and appreciate it. Y'all give me a holler. I appreciate y'all very much. Bye.